Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your account has been disabled, so let's see how can you fix the issues. The very first thing you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Open settings, go for general, go for VPN device management and try to disconnect your VPN is not connected. Then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. And once you have done all of your network setting will be reset. So if there will be any issue in your network setting, it will fix in this step. Or if you are still having the same issue, so it means that there's an issue in your Apple ID. So you just have to open your setting first, tap on your Apple ID and then sign in security, and you have to try to change your Apple ID password. Once you have changed your Apple ID password, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, you have to open your browser, simply search for support.apple.com, select your device. In my case, I'm going to select iPhone, and from here you just have to select get support option. Or you can search here, I'm going to search for that Apple account has been disabled. Has the option of Apple ID disabled, you just have to select that, and here you will get some results. So for example, I'm going to select the option from here, and it will give you some help. But if you want to reactivate your account, you just have to select the reactivation option. Or if you want to contact with the Apple support team, so you have to select get support, and here you have to select any option related to your issue. In my case, I'm going to select App Store, then select Continue, select Get More Help, select Call Us, and here you just have to dial the number and you have to call or contact with Apple support team member, and you have to discuss about your issue, and you will get official help from there. So in this way you can easily fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.